Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Luthfita Aulia Dewi from English Education Study Program Surya Kencana University. In here, I will share you about how to make a simple spaghetti bolognese. Without waiting any longer, let's start it.
Ingredients: there are spaghetti alla fonte, pasta sauce alla fonte, celery, mayonnaise, olive oil, and cheese. The tools: there are frying pan or pot, spatula, grater and fork, filter, and plate. Prepare pans and pots first. They are already to cookware for frying and for boiling. So, I have put about 2 liters of water into the pot. Next, we add a spoonful of cooking oil. Okay, turn on the stove and we'll wait for the water to boil. Okay, after the water boils, we enter spaghetti to the pot. Okay, like this. Spaghetti, let's cook the sauce alla fonte. Okay, enter olive oil to the pan. So if you don't like olive oil, you can use butter. It doesn't take long to cook the sauce because it's just to heat it up. Okay, turn on the stove. Okay, we wait spaghetti to cook for 10 minutes. So we put pasta sauce to the pan. Okay, it doesn't take long to find the sauce because it's needed to be heated only with a small fire. Turn off the stove and we move it out and dry spaghetti using a filter. Now let's put spaghetti on a plate. And we pour a sauce on top of the spaghetti. Then we sprinkle the piece of celery. And the cheese grater. We add a little mayonnaise.
Okay, finished. This is a simple spaghetti bolognese. Thank you for watching, and as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.